What do you want to do about it? You can stop my eyes, my son. Talk to me. I pay for it because of my baby. I buy a crib with it and I smoke it and I drink the beer. Stop.
You can't wait for my boy in that school. I get the most beat up the blood clot.
Alright.
I can't have that.
I one of them.
Eh?
What of them money?
Hey, when you in that school, when you're a little boy in that school, I hold my beat up, you get it?
What do we?
You can't have chat.
Anybody do that?
Hey, you know I go West Indies College.
You know what's up, man?
I swear to God, never mind that. Never mind that. Never in the class. I hear you. Remember, so every day.
Don't blood that, man.
I hear the problem, Avil. The more you lick him, I more you talk.
I get it, man.
I hear, man.
Oh, this never never. Never.
What that mean?
It's alright. Can't harass me, young man. I'm the one that me want.
What kind of name that?
At least me want.
And the person gets you about 3 and
No, it is ready. Oh, you know it is ready.
And that thing you cut in period.
A bull and peer name that.
One blood clot you do one like you. That's what I heard. You know what I want?
Hey, this is why you hey. As soon as you know why you do the class, exactly like you will.
Done.
No matter you lick him in the Avil, he's still at Avil.
One shot. Yes, one shot.
The back I was to get out.
That doesn't go like hey. What? Me are the first. You're not winning. You see how we know.
I really see.
I have it for you. You're not winning. You don't even move now, man.
I'm trying to get you ready.
They don't come to the way. Huh?
Tap it.
The man say I must go with the head, brother.
Tap the idea.
I'm on top of my head. I'm going to put on the gear and you gear. So you see first on me. You don't come and come and clap the place.
Hey, man. Which part is
Somebody kill my man.
this stand very bad. The half of the chucking up. Tell me in the bag, son. Sit down, take your blood clot and go in. Bomba clot, but
Me buy 5.
That means if you go in and see you broke down, you know, me I left your blood clot. Right there, son.
let me there.
Alright. You hear man, son? You hear that?
You watch that.
You mean that, baby? You mean, baby?